Malla Reddy College of Engineering, established in 2005, located in Secunderabad, Telangana, has received an overall rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars from students on Shiksha.com. Let's dive into the details of the BTech course offered here, starting with the placements rated 3.4 stars. As per the official website, for the academic session 2023-24, a total of 461 students graduated, with 201 securing on-campus placements and 58 opting for off-campus placements. This resulted in a placement rate of 56%, marking a significant decrease from 2022-23. Student reviews indicate mixed opinions about placements. Some students secured roles at companies like TCS, Wipro, L&T, IBM, Microsoft, and Flipkart in positions such as software programmer, tester, web developer, data analyst, and design engineer. For the academic session 2023-24, as per students, the highest package offered for BTech graduates was 10 lakh per annum, with an average package of 4 lakh per annum. On comparison, Malla Reddy College of Engineering still has some ground to cover, with Srinidhi Institute of Science and Technology on comparison of average salary offered. According to the official website, internships were offered at TalentServe, ISRO, ECEL IIT Bombay, Youth Empowerment Foundation, and IIT Delhi, with stipends around 12,000 per month. Additionally, reviews from students highlight the competition for both paid and unpaid internships at companies like TCS, Amazon, and Flipkart. Shifting our focus to academics, where the 4-year BTech program has a rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars from students on Shiksha.com. There are 7 BTech specializations that are offered, including artificial intelligence and data science and AI/ML. Students meet a minimum of 45% in 12th for admission to BTech, where the acceptance entrance exam is engineering and medical common entrance test. The competition for electronics and communication engineering intensified in 2023, as reflected in the TSEAM CET ranks. Let's now take a look at the program cost. The total tuition fee for BTech for the 4-year BTech program is around 3.2 lakhs. Let's take a look at the infrastructure, which is now rated 3.8 stars. The entire campus is Wi-Fi enabled, with digital classrooms, an auditorium, a well-equipped library, virtual labs, and specialized labs like programming for problem solving, data structure, and DBMS. Talking about the hostel, students are provided with separate accommodation on a 5-sharing basis, equipped with all necessary amenities. They share that the canteen and the mess food was tasty, reasonably priced, and offered a variety of snack options. The students are provided with comprehensive sports facilities like volleyball, basketball, throwball, cricket, and boxing, along with a fully functional gym. Turning to faculty and course, rated 3.7 stars. Most faculty members at Malla Reddy College of Engineering hold PhDs, with students appreciating the teaching methods, particularly the use of projectors, 3D visuals, and presentations. To sit for exams, students must maintain 75% attendance and score a minimum of 40% to pass. The curriculum is enriched through collaborations and tie-ups with NIIT, Mechatronics, Think Embedded, Armtronics, ATS, and Infosys Springboard partnership. Shifting our focus to campus life, rated 3.9 stars. The campus hosts numerous events such as Engineering's Day, hackathons, Christmas, Diwali, and other cultural celebrations. Interestingly, students also get the right amount of exposure through conferences on engineering and advancement in technology, workshop on robotics and its application, seminars, and project exhibitions. Lastly, looking at the NIRF 2024 rankings, Malla Reddy College of Engineering is currently unranked. For more details on Malla Reddy College of Engineering, Secunderabad, Telangana, and to explore thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now.